Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 26th of April 2021. The American forces have started making preparations for withdrawal from Afghanistan. It has been announced that the withdrawal would begin around the 1st of May and it will culminate on the 11th of September 2021, which would mark the 20th anniversary of the attacks on the Twin Towers. History is coming full circle. In my personal opinion, the Americans should have left much earlier, maybe 15 years earlier. But they waited till the very end. Uh, they they outstayed their welcome. Uh, they are worried about how they are going to withdraw. One aircraft carrier has already been positioned in the Gulf, and other preparations are also in hand to make sure that retrograde to zero. These are the words that the American General Scott Miller is using in Afghanistan. Retrograde to zero takes place. So retrograde to zero is going to be a huge logistical exercise. The Americans are also thinking of repositioning their withdrawing forces, part of it at least, in neighboring countries. Iran is out. Iran will not allow it. Iran is probably the sworn enemy of USA. The feelings are mutual. In Pakistan, also the public opinion may not allow it. Indians are also very clever. They will not do anything which can incite forces which can make things difficult for Modi. Modi government is already reeling from the third spike of coronavirus. That leaves Central Asia. So there can be states in Central Asia where the Americans can go. But in Central Asia also, the Russians still have a very strong influence. And this is an area which has the footprint of Shanghai Cooperation Organization. So let's see what the Americans do. The CENTCOM commander has said that the forces, militant forces in Afghanistan may regroup, and he has said that these forces may become difficult for Pakistan. He was talking about Al-Qaeda and IS, etc. Yes, Pakistan has to be very, very careful. Pakistan has to take all necessary precautions that there is not a replay of refugees pouring into Pakistan the way they did after the Soviets invaded Afghanistan and the subsequent upheavals in Afghanistan. So the stakes are high for Pakistan. Pakistan needs to play their game very wisely. Pakistan has been facilitating talks between the Taliban and all other stakeholders. The Turkey initiative, unfortunately, has not materialized. This was an initiative by the Americans. They wanted the talks to resume in Turkey. That hasn't happened. The foreign ministers of Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Turkey have met, and they have asked the Taliban to keep engaged in the peace process. There are hopes that the Taliban may re-engage after Eid. Taliban, meanwhile, have stepped up their activities. 12 policemen were ambushed yesterday and killed cold blood. So things are not very good in Afghanistan. One hopes that it is not a replay of what happened after the Soviets withdrew from Afghanistan or after the British left Afghanistan after the Second Afghan War. We know of the famous massacre that took place in Jalalabad when only one British soldier, Surgeon Major Bryden, was left alive to go and tell to the British in Peshawar that their retreating forces have been wiped out. So retreating forces, Americans are worried about their retreat, retrograde zero. That's what Scott Miller has been talking about. They want an orderly withdrawal from Afghanistan. They want some elements to be repositioned. Pakistan hopes that the peace process is renewed, resolved, and that post-conflict Afghanistan is stable for the sake of Pakistan, for the sake of the region, for the sake of the international peace and stability. That is all from my side. I will be looking forward to your comments. Thank you very much for listening to me.